Hunter, what was your favorite ammo, or what would be your ammo of choice if you were taking a kid with your gun?
So a kid with my gun,
Or a smaller
gauge,
adult, somebody
Yeah.
that's just not good with recoil.
or even a woman, just
Yeah.
somebody. From what I experienced from the shot, I'm gonna have to go with the Foxtrot 2 3/4 number 9s. Like I just mentioned to him, I love shooting that shell in the field. It always patterned well for me. We got all the targets laid out in the garage, and that was one of the first ones I noticed, although it wasn't the highest count I had overall. But I did really like that shell, and that's definitely what I would recommend for a kid, younger person, or even a woman.